from the Grand Floridian. So Paul and I yesterday did a little impulse one night stay here at the Grand. We decided not to vlog it, so we did just kind of have a nice relaxing evening here. We just wanted to get out of the house for a little bit. We had a nice dinner at Citricos and just went around to all the monorail resorts. We popped into Magic Kingdom for about an hour, hour and a half as well. It was really hot yesterday, so we didn't last very long. I did want to show you guys a nice little room tour because this is our first time staying here since they've done the upgrades to the rooms, and it's beautiful. I absolutely love what they did. And this morning we just enjoyed coffee here on our balcony and went to Gasparilla's, just grabbed some breakfast. This was considered a water view and not a theme park view. We did still have the ability to see the fireworks, and like you can see the castle right there. And I believe that this is still just considered a water view and not a theme park view, simply because Narcoossee's kind of blocks the castle depending on what angle you're standing on the balcony. We were able to see like all the big fireworks. We could see some of the projections on the castle, which was really nice. We just couldn't hear any of the music from here, so you would have to play it yourself, like on the TV or on your phone. Really enjoyed just having a nice, peaceful morning out here. It wasn't too hot yet, so we had a couple cups of coffee and just watched the sunrise, and it was just a beautiful morning. Along with this video, we're actually going to fast forward a couple of days and show you some of the halfway to the holidays treats that they're having here at the Grand. Later this week, we have the after hours party at Epcot. You can hear the train. We have the after hours event at Epcot, and then next Sunday, we have the breakfast at Garden Grill because that actually opens back up on Wednesday. So lots to come this week. I know we didn't really post any vlogs, a couple of shorts from our old vacations, so I highly recommend going and checking those out. A few of them are from our recent trips to Europe, and then we also have a couple of like Run Disney ones we're posting. Comment below any future resort stays you would like to see, any room tours you would like to see, also what your favorite resort on property is. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos of all the fun events we have coming up, and we'll see you soon. This is actually our first time seeing the rooms since they have been renovated, so let's take a look. I'm obsessed with the wallpaper. Normally I'm not a wallpaper fan, but it just is so pretty. The theming that they did here, I loved it before, but I love it even more now. And can't say that about all of the room upgrades, but oh, that's nice. We have robes, even though this is not a club level room. Normally those are only club level. That's really nice. I am also really happy with the fact that they are doing steamers instead of irons now with all of the renovations. That's fantastic. The safe over here, you do have a little bit of a shelf storage, the Keurig machine, actually glass cups, plenty of Joffrey's coffee, which is a absolute must for us. The little cooler. So then let's go to the bathroom here. What I love about the Grand is I just feel it's very, very spacious, and they have this beautiful mirror. It's very bright in here. I love the gold tones. Plenty of towels. We've got the bar soap here. Over here we have mouthwash, the vanity kit, shower cap, cooling gel, all the fun stuff. The separate bathroom. So the separate bathroom here has the toilet and then the shower. And it does have the H2O products on the wall. And then in here we do have two queen beds. Beautiful Mary Poppins artwork. I also really appreciate the fact that they have these next to the beds for those that don't have nightstands, so you still have a place to put your phone. And then it also has all the different plug options, so not just a regular plug, but it has everything for your phones and anything else that you wanted to charge up for the week. And then same thing on this side, you also have the little table and the plugs, an extra little table over here. On this side, you have a couch that does also pull down into another sleeper, so you can sleep 5 in this room if you needed to. Under the TV here, you have plenty of drawer space, decent sized drawers. That's the room. Now let's look at the view. And look at this, first off. The cherry tree lane. It's just that nice classic touch. I just love it. And then we have a water view, but guys, it's a theme park view. We can see the castle. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to hear Happily Ever After from Narcoossee's. I think that this is still considered just a water view, even though you can see Space Mountain and Tron because of Narcoossee's being in the way. But I'm gonna take it as a win. It's almost like having an upgrade without having an upgrade. But it's just like the perfect view, and it's very quiet over here. All we have are just a little walkway from the boat dock. And that's Conch Key on that side. We are in Boca Chica. So yeah, that is our room tour for this trip. Here's the little building lobby area. So we are in Boca Chica, and they did such a beautiful job here. Also, one thing that I really love about the Boca Chica building in particular is that you can actually go outside of the lobby and see the boats and the temporaries over there. And you do have the castle view and the rides and the theme park and everything. So even if you don't have a room on the lake, you can still come out here and enjoy it.
A look at the construction at the Grand Floridian Hotel.
Yeah, it looks like they're doing it in sections because they're keeping everything open during the renovation. So
here's another view of the area that's being worked on. Okay, so we are at Gasparilla here with the holiday treats, and we have the brownie tree pop, which is $7.25, and then the ginger snap cookies $5.50. Here's what the ginger snap cookie looks like. And then in the case here is the brownie tree top pop.
here, I'll pull it out.
There is what it looks like. So we were going to try it, and then we'll give you guys a review.
The music is a little loud in here, but it's way too hot to be eating these treats outside. So hopefully we don't get copyrighted with the music. So, like we said, there's a brownie and then the ginger snap cookie. Here is the brownie. I don't typically like Disney brownies. So let's see. You want to take the first bite? Do you want to just dig in?
Yeah, I'll take the bite with the fork. I'll be civilized.
Now you liked the brownie at Boardwalk. I did not. How does this compare?
I like this one better. There's nothing too too special about this, but it is good though. Kind of tastes like those old little brownies.
No, you know what this tastes like?
Little Debbie brownies.
If you ever get the cake pops in Disney, this is like the filling of the cake pops. That's exactly what this tastes like. Oh,
Do I try the cookie now?
Alright.
Gonna put this off to the side.
We haven't eaten dinner yet, so we are actually
So this might be dinner.
taste testing these and then maybe snack on them a little later on. So this is not what I was expecting with the cookie, but it has like candied ginger on it. It's really light. It's
You can
not,
smell the gingerbread. It smells good.
it's not a heavy cookie. Okay, a little bit of a crisp with it, but it's still kind of soft. I love gingerbread and I love candied ginger, so this is like right up my alley. I'm gonna take a middle piece with the candy on it. I will also say I don't like the shingles that they sell. You have to like ginger to like this. It is
pretty
very
good.
strong ginger flavor.
It's pretty good, but it's just
It's a little dry.
yeah.
The cookie alone reminds me of like those windmill cookies that you like dip in coffee. But then when you have the candy ginger on it, it gives it a bit more of a ginger bite. I'll eat it, but I don't think I would get it again.
So overall thoughts.
Shockingly, I like the brownie better. They're both good. It's nice to have a taste of the holidays right now because I'm like missing Christmas like crazy. But I don't think I would maybe necessarily get either of them again.
Yeah.
One for the price, the brownie for the price,
Yep.
and the gingerbread cookie for the taste.
Yeah, I agree with that. I don't think I would get either of them again for the same reasons.
Yeah. But it's fun to try some different treats and new treats. And this week they're announcing everything for the holidays and they're really teasing something for Hollywood Studios, which we're really hoping they do something new because it's our favorite park. It's our favorite park during the holidays. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so we'll see. But yeah, so that was our review. Also, there's some construction walls up here on the outside of the building, so we'll show you that too
We'll film
because that was not here 2 days ago when we were here. So we will give you that update. But otherwise, comment below, do you love the holidays in Disney and what is your favorite holiday treat? I would love to know. Anything that's coming back to like the festival at Epcot or anything like that, what we should try. Thanks for coming along and we'll see you guys real soon.
Yep.
Bye.
Thanks everyone.
The nice thing about these ones is they do give you ingredients and allergy items so that if you do have any food allergies or sensitivities that you can't have, they actually do list it, which is really nice. They don't do that for all of their products, so just something extra to make note of. So they put all these walls up and have construction starting on the exterior, I'm guessing for the rooms in the main building.